Okay, guys, we're all done, but we're gonna drink my milk. Mm, this is real good. So, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are really like Fruit Loops or corn, like corn flakes. This is mine, and this is my sister. I have tried these both and Cocoa Crunch. Not as this box. It's just like this size. And then mahaba din siya na ano. Double, 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 double. So, ay! Ang bango niya. Ang bango niya. Ang bango ng box. Lagi. Wala tong amoy, guys. Pero mabango yung ano. Fruit Loops. Guys, tignan nyo, guys. Wow! Ano na, lulutuin namin to dito, tapos dadalhin namin to sa swimming. Tapos ito din, dadalhin ko din sa swimming. Alam nyo kung kailan yung swimming namin? 12 to 13. So, magbibidyo-video ako, huwag kayong mag-alala. So, tingin nyo wala kaming internet. Magkikipag-connect kami sa internet. Ha! Ah! Excited na ako, guys. Parang gusto ko na mag-unpack ngayon. Kasi, yung mga damit ko wala na dahil parang gusto ko silang dalhin sa swimming dahil it's